Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is Arham here and today I have the Oppo Enco W51 earbuds. The box mentions key details at the back. Let's just go ahead and unbox this. So these earphones have active noise cancellation and are priced just under Rs 5000 and come in two colors, which is Starry Blue, which is almost black, and the white color. First up we get this paperwork which contains the manuals which have the instructions for the touch control, so do check them out. Then we have the earphones itself inside this case. Next up we have some extra ear tips, so choose the right one according to your ears. Then finally inside the small box we get the Type-C cable. It is pretty good to see that it supports Type-C charging. Let's take a look at the earphones itself. The case has a glossy finish, but it's a plastic case and doesn't feel that rigid enough. Inside we get the earbuds in the gorgeous looking blue and golden color. These earphones are very comfortable to wear and fits perfectly into your ears, also creating kind of a passive noise cancellation as well. Let's find out if the W51 are worth your money and why you should be buying them. These earbuds have a driver size of 7mm, which is decent enough. The main highlighting feature here is the active noise cancellation at this budget price. Don't expect like supreme active noise cancellation because these are budget earphones after all, but they cut out noise pretty well for this price. They have 6 microphones which enable them to reduce noise effectively. These earbuds have touch sensitive areas where you can use the respective gestures for that particular task. It works flawlessly, but unfortunately you can only modify them using an Oppo phone. They also come with the IP54 rating, so they should hold up pretty well against splashes and sweat. So you can obviously take them for workouts. They connect via Bluetooth 5 technology and thus offer a range of 10 meters without barriers in between. They have pretty low latency at 94 milliseconds, which is decent enough for gaming. But if you want them for gaming, then I would suggest you better go for wired earphones or headphones. The battery capacity on each earbud is about 25 mAh, which lasts for about 3 to 4 hours with ANC turned on and about 4.5 hours with ANC turned off. The results might vary depending on your usage and the volume that the earbuds are being used at. The case, which is the charging case, also has a battery capacity of 480 mAh, which will charge the earbuds around 3 to 4 times roughly, and it takes about 2.5 hours to charge the case with the buds inside. Well, Oppo does claim that W51 can provide 9 hours of playback with just 15 minutes of charging. By the way, the case also supports wireless charging if that's a plus point for you. Also, finally, talking about the audio quality, they are pretty good, but do keep in mind that in terms of audio quality ratios, TWS earphones provides the least value usually. So should you buy them? Yes, definitely. There is no better option than the W51 according to me under Rs 5000, which offers as many features, especially the active noise cancellation. So thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Also share the video, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.